The Honda Revo is a lightweight and efficient commuter motorcycle that has earned a strong reputation for being dependable, economical, and practical. It is especially popular among daily riders who want a machine that is easy to handle, affordable to maintain, and fuel efficient enough to keep running costs low. Designed in a way that appeals to both younger riders and experienced commuters, the Revo strikes a balance between style and function. It is compact enough for navigating tight city streets while also having enough comfort for slightly longer trips when needed. The design of the Honda Revo takes a minimalist yet sporty approach. Its bodywork is sleek, with sharp lines that add a modern edge without being overly flashy. The halogen headlamp provides decent visibility at night, while the analog speedometer and fuel gauge keep things simple and reliable. The seating is upright and comfortable, offering enough padding for both the rider and passenger. For daily convenience, the Revo includes an under-seat storage compartment in some variants, which can hold small essentials like groceries, documents, or a raincoat. Powering the Honda Revo is a 109.17cc single-cylinder, air-cooled, 4-stroke SOHC engine equipped with Honda's PGM-FI fuel injection system. This technology ensures smoother fuel delivery, better mileage, and lower emissions compared to carbureted models. The engine delivers around 8.79 horsepower at 7,500 revolutions per minute and a torque of 8.76 Nm at 6,000 revolutions per minute, giving it enough strength for city commuting while keeping fuel consumption impressively low. Its bore and stroke measurements of 50 mm by 55.6 mm and a compression ratio of 9.3, highlight its balanced performance design. The Honda Revo uses a 4-speed manual transmission, which is both durable and easy to operate. Shifts are smooth, and the gear ratios are tuned for stop-and-go traffic as well as moderate cruising. Riders have the option of using either an electric starter for convenience or a kick starter as a backup, which is handy if the battery runs low. Thanks to its fuel-injected system, the Revo responds well to throttle inputs and performs consistently regardless of weather conditions. On the road, the Revo's lightweight chassis, weighing just under 100 kilograms, makes it highly maneuverable. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers, providing a comfortable and stable ride even on uneven roads. While not built for aggressive cornering, the handling is predictable and reassuring for everyday riding. The 17-inch wheels with 70/90 front and 80/90 rear tires strike a good balance between stability and agility. For braking, the Honda Revo features a hydraulic disc brake at the front and a drum brake at the rear. This setup offers sufficient stopping power for its performance level without adding unnecessary complexity or cost. While it lacks modern safety features like ABS, the braking system is dependable and well suited to its commuter role. The electrical system uses a 12-volt, 3-amp-hour battery and a full transistorized ignition, ensuring reliable starts and consistent performance. Fuel efficiency is one of the Revo's biggest selling points, delivering an impressive mileage of about 59.8 km per liter in real-world conditions. With its 4-liter fuel tank, this translates to a range of roughly 230 to 240 km before needing a refill, making it extremely cost-effective for daily travel. This long range means fewer stops at the pump, which is ideal for busy commuters who value convenience. In terms of performance, the Honda Revo is not designed for high-speed thrills but for practical and efficient transportation. It can reach a top speed of around 110 km per hour under optimal conditions, which is more than enough for city streets and short highway stretches. Acceleration from 0 to 60 km per hour takes roughly 5 to 6 seconds, giving it enough punch to merge into traffic smoothly. The engine runs quietly and with minimal vibration, adding to overall riding comfort. One aspect that often surprises new riders is that the Revo's battery does not require manual charging. The motorcycle uses an alternator to recharge the battery while the engine is running, so as long as you ride regularly, the battery remains topped up. This reduces maintenance hassle and ensures that the electric start remains functional without extra effort from the rider. Price-wise, the Honda Revo is positioned as an affordable option in its class. In markets like Indonesia, the Revo Fit model is priced at about 17 million rupiah, while the Revo X with added features such as a key shutter lock is closer to 19 million rupiah. Considering its reliability, fuel savings, and low upkeep costs, the Revo offers strong value for money. It is an attractive choice for budget-conscious riders who still want a quality product backed by Honda's reputation. For riders considering the latest availability, the Honda Revo in its current form is already on sale in several Asian markets, including 2025 model year editions. While no major redesign has been announced, the existing version continues to sell strongly thanks to its proven formula. Many owners keep their Revo for years, a testament to its durability and low running costs. Overall, the Honda Revo stands out as a commuter motorcycle that prioritizes reliability, fuel economy, and ease of use. It may not have advanced electronics or high-end performance features, but it delivers exactly what it promises, a practical, efficient, and affordable ride. For anyone seeking a dependable two-wheeler for everyday transport, the Revo remains one of the most sensible choices in its category. If you want, I can also make a more cinematic video version of this expanded script, with pacing cues and camera direction to match a YouTube review style. That would make it feel like a real pro reviewer's shoot.